In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Tonkeeper step by step. First, open the Tonkeeper app and unlock your wallet. On the main screen, you'll see your Ton balance or other tokens stored in the wallet. Since Tonkeeper is a crypto wallet, withdrawing money usually means sending your crypto to an exchange where you can convert it to cash. Next, open your crypto exchange account such as Binance, Bybit, or another supported platform. Go to Deposit, choose the cryptocurrency you want to send, and copy the deposit address for the correct network, usually the Ton network if you're sending Ton. Now go back to the Tonkeeper app, tap the token you want to withdraw, and select Send. Paste the exchange deposit address you copied earlier. Then enter the amount you want to transfer and double-check the wallet address before confirming the transaction. After the transfer is completed on the blockchain, the funds will appear in your exchange account. From there, you can sell the crypto and withdraw the money to your bank account or other supported payment method. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.